dogs were spilling their water everywhere. So I came across this pet boot tray. Look at how cute the pattern is. This is in the gray. This measures 12.5 by 16.5. Ample space, clean, sturdy, and surprisingly stylish for something whose whole job is to catch dirt and water and pet drama. But this is like cute. Something you'd want to sit on your floor or by your door. Why I picked this one, the edges actually catch the messes. The mud, the melted snow, the spilled pet water. The trays are so lightweight, and there are 2 of them in the pack, but they're tough. They're made from recycled plastic. Doesn't warp, doesn't crack. So you could put your heavy boots in here. And I like that they have the pads here. So it is going to stay put, and you can quickly rinse this and wipe it. Perfect for your pets or your shoes, or hey, even a plant, or even throw this in your trunk. But these cute little trays are the no drama organizer for every entryway or every little dog bowl. But these are simple, they're dependable, and they're an easy win. I highly recommend these pet boot trays.